Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the P50 Pro so installs succeed and you avoid interruptions. Enable unknown sources and security, clear or offload 3 to 4 gigabytes of space, and charge above 50%. Once done, download the specific APK packages you need: Google Play Services, the Play Store APK, and a compatibility layer APK if you prefer. You do this now because the system needs storage and permission to accept non-store apps. Make sure each APK matches the device ABI and Android version. Next, install the core Google components in the correct order so dependencies register properly. Install Google services first, follow prompts carefully, then install the Play Store APK. This order ensures APIs are present when the store initializes. Grant all required runtime permissions when Android requests them, deny blocks functionality. Once both APKs are installed, reboot the phone so services start cleanly. If you used a compatibility layer, activate it before reboot. This step makes sure the Play Store can sign in and Finally, open the Play Store and sign in with your Google account. Complete any two-factor verification to sync apps. Once signed in, let Play Services update automatically and install essential apps one by one to avoid conflicts. Make sure Google Play updates itself and that background data is allowed. If something fails, clear cache and data for Play Store and Google services, then reboot and try again. If still broken, reinstall the APKs in correct order. This troubleshooting tip resolves most installation or sign-in errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.